Hear the sound of heaven breaking through. From the book of ages, the story told of a king whose mind can never be controlled. He broke the chains, he tore the veil in two, made a way for me, made a way for you. No power of darkness can ever stand against the one who holds it all in his hand. So let the earth tremble.
So let the earth tremble, let the heavens roar.
He's calling us higher like never before. The Lion of Judah reigns, he reigns. No enemy can stand his mighty name. Every mountain trembles, every stronghold breaks when the King of glory his dominion takes. Oh, the Lion of Judah reigns forever and ever.
His kingdom
I hear the sound of dry bones
coming alive.
Prophetic winds are starting to revive. What was lost is found.
What was dead now breathes.
Every promise planted, now it truly conceives.
Look to the east,
Look to the setting sun.
his victory is final.
The battle's already won. So let the earth tremble, let the heavens roar.
Tremble,
He's calling us high.
heavens roar.
He's calling us high.
Bring us higher.
The Lion of Judah,
Lion of Judah,
he reigns. No enemy can stand his mighty name. Every mountain trembles, every stronghold breaks when the King of glory his dominion takes. So the Lion of Judah reigns forever and ever.
his kingdom remains.
Come on, lift your voice. He's roaring over us.
Lion of Judah,
Yo, he's roaring through us.
Lion of Judah,
Hey, taking back what's his.
Lion of Judah,
Hey, reigning in this place.
Lion of Judah.
Break it down, just drums and bass for a moment. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He's breaking every chain. Yeah. He's crushing every lie. The Lion,
The Lion,
the Lion,
the Lion,
he's here right now. Yeah.
the Lion of Judah reigns.
He reigns. No enemy can stand his mighty name. Every mountain trembles, every stronghold breaks when the King of glory his dominion takes. Oh, the Lion of Judah reigns forever and ever.
His kingdom remains.
The Lion reigns, forever reigns. He reigns. Hallelujah.